Fuminji, 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 Fuminji. Okay, so in this vlog, I'll be foraging for wild garlic or Vuminji in Newbattle. In part one, I did a pre-spring vlog of the early wild garlic when they were growing and estimated that at this time they would have been much larger, which is the case. So I did a part two video showing you the same area I did before. Now I'm going to forage for some because in another video after this, I am going to create recipes from the wild garlic. So I've got my scissors, I've got my container. You notice how long it is? I think it's just easier. And I love this container because it's so ideal to put the wild garlic in. And I've got a pair of scissors. This is very good for snipping the stems and then taking up the plant. So journey along with me. Okay, to all my vegan and vegetarian friends, just look, just 5 or 6 cuts, and look. So this is what I was saying with the scissors. You get this, you can cut to the stem, and they've got this nice bunch. And look, in this container, in one go, it's halfway full already. After 5 cuts, in season, wherever you're in the world, edible stuff are the best. You can't argue with that. Supermarket cannot, well, I guess if they're in season and they're on the supermarket shelf, plus. But in the wise, wild garlic or Ruminji in the UK or Ireland, be it Republic or Northern Ireland, they'll have the same weather. 5, 6 clips, and it's already halfway full. I need to do this side. Here I go again. So this time, 7 cuts. Nice bunch. Notice already, obviously you have to wash your vegetables, but when you're harvesting it, it's best to start with the cleanest ones, so it's easier to clean once you start to wash it with water. Just look at the leaves, free from bird droppings, decaying leaves, and no soil. Notice they aren't in the soil. This doesn't mean it's not clean. You have to wash your veg. No, the container, two two cuttings, and look, it's full already. When things are in season, eat it. It's the best. You cannot beat seasonal stuff. No import. All natural and organic. Look, 2 cuts, and look, nice and clean. I just need to organize it. It's like falling out of the container. Wow. Ooh, very nice, very nice. See? That's it. Wild garlic or vuminji. Amazing. So this now, I'm going to make some Oy'Nissh recipes. You know what would be good? A mixture of some Scottish ingredients, Oy'Nissh marinades or whatever. I don't know yet. I'll come up with something and you will be amazed. So, I'm going to cover it. See? That's it. See? Simple. Not difficult. Didn't even take 5 minutes to cut and it's ready. When things are in season, get it. Thanks for watching. See you in the kitchen.